After the evaluation of the red and yellow cards, next you will move on to teaching students new concepts. Every day there is always going to be a new concept in the teacher's manual, but today it's on the worksheet. So the first thing we're going to work on is alphabetizing. We want to make sure that the students are able to alphabetize. You're going to take the letters and randomly set one set of the letters on the board and on the table in front of the student and let them work on alphabetizing. It may look like this when it's over with several rows, or it could be just one continuous row of A, B, C, D, E. When I talk to the students, I take off the magnets, and as I'm taking them off, I read to them this. Every week we build words with tiles while also working on alphabetizing. Therefore, today I want to see if you can put these letters in alphabetical or ABC order. Please use your dominant hand to move the tiles or the same finger you use to hold a pencil. This is important to work on their correct hand-eye coordination. After every word you build, you must alphabetize the letters and put them back in correct spot. So can you put these tiles in alphabetical order? After that, we move on to the new blue cards that are going to be added. Since students have already been a part of the LIPS program, they get to add key cards 1 through 7. All you have to do is read the cards to the student, and then they will add them into their review deck. So for example, the first one is the vowels are, and you don't show them the back, but the answer is on the back of the card for you, and it just says A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. For the next card, a consonant is, and the answer is any letter that isn't a vowel. That's all they have to say. And once they can say these without needing any prompts or help, or if they can say it from the beginning without any prompts or help, feel free to give them a tally mark. It must be accurate and fast though. Once they get 3 tally marks, then these cards can too go home. But for now, they just need to be read once and put in the review section. For key card number 6, count syllables, there is a huge long list of words on the reverse. Do not do all of them. I would just suggest doing 5 words each time. If they can get all 5, they can earn a tally mark. I also like to choose words that are relevant and important to a student. So if a student is really into skateboarding or video games, I might choose one of those words or several of them to put on the back as well. Makes it a little bit more interesting for the students. Now there's a huge pile of cards here on this table. Many are beyond the key card 7, but I wanted to show them to you because they may end up getting added into the deck. If a student passes all of level 1 and doesn't need to review any of them, he or she will still get these cards added into their deck.